Hey party lovers! Planning a magical celebration that sparkles like the stars? Then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into amazing star-themed birthday party decoration ideas. Whether it's for your little one, a teen, or even a glam adult bash, this theme shines for everyone. From backdrops to balloon magic and centerpieces that wow. Let's turn your party into a dreamy night sky. What color scheme works best for a star theme party? Go with navy blue, silver, gold, and white. These colors give that galaxy, starlit vibe that everyone loves. Add a hint of lavender or rose gold for a unique twist. Metallic balloons and shiny streamers help elevate the glow. Dark table covers with glitter stars pop really well. Use warm lights to make everything shine. How can I create a starry backdrop on a budget? Use dark curtains or a navy blue bedsheet as the base. Cut star shapes from glitter foam or cardboard. Stick them randomly or in constellations for effect. Add fairy lights behind for a glowing night sky. Tape glow-in-the-dark stars for an extra touch. Hang a silver fringe curtain in the center for photos. Snap it and share your setup with us. What balloon decoration fits this theme? Mix latex and foil balloons in star shapes. Create a galaxy balloon arch with blue, silver, and gold. Use confetti balloons to add sparkle. Try a floating balloon ceiling with curling ribbons. You can even make a balloon moon and star cluster. Add helium star balloons for the birthday table. Any ideas for the cake table? Keep the table simple but stunning. Use a navy table cover and scatter glitter stars. Add star-shaped cupcake toppers or cookies. Decorate the wall behind with hanging moons and stars. Use light boxes with happy birthday messages. Place a mini star garland around the cake stand. What's your dream cake setup? How do I make DIY centerpieces? Grab mason jars or small vases. Fill them with fairy lights or glittery marbles. Add painted branches with hanging star cutouts. Spray the jars in metallic paint for glam. Tie ribbons around with moon and star charms. Keep them low profile so people can chat easily. What can guests wear for the star theme? Encourage navy, black, or sparkly outfits. Star print dresses, shirts, or accessories work well. Provide star wands or glow bracelets as party favors. Create a fun dress code. Shine like a star. Add a star crown or halo for the birthday person. Kids love face painting with glitter stars too. What's your star style? Let us know below. What lighting works best for this theme? Soft, warm fairy lights are your best friend. Use string lights around the room edges. Projector lights with galaxy effects are amazing. Hang paper lanterns painted like moons. Try star-shaped LED lamps as nightlight favors. Avoid harsh lights. Keep the glow dreamy. What are some fun activities for guests? Host a Design Your Starcraft corner. Set up a telescope if it's an outdoor party. Play Pin the Star on the Galaxy. Create a photo booth with props like star glasses. Glow dance party with dim lights and neon stars. Star scavenger hunt with small prizes. What game would you play at a star party? How to plan the party outdoors at night. Pick a clear night and check the weather. Use tents or a canopy with star lights. Bring cozy blankets and glow sticks. Place citronella candles to keep bugs away. Add a stargazing spot with binoculars. Create comfy seating with cushions and rugs. Can this theme work for adults too? Absolutely. Just elevate the glam. Use metallic accents, champagne and candles. Swap cartoon stars for minimal gold ones. Photo booths with sequin backdrops are a hit. Add a signature star teeny cocktail. Play chill stargazing music in the background. Who said only kids get star parties? What food ideas go with the theme? Star-shaped sandwiches, cookies, and cheese platters. Galaxy-colored popcorn or cupcakes. Use food picks with moon star toppers. Serve drinks in cups with metallic straws. Add edible glitter to cakes or desserts. Label snacks with space-themed names. How to end the party memorably. Hand out glow in the dark star favors. Do a final countdown and light sparklers. Play a soft instrumental of Twinkle, Twinkle. Create a time capsule for birthday wishes. Have a mini star piñata finale. Thank guests with star-themed thank you notes. What's your dream party ending? There you go. Your star-themed birthday party just got a galaxy-level glow-up. From balloons to backdrops, lights to table styling, everything you need to create an unforgettable celebration is right here. Just remember, it's not about spending a lot, it's about creativity. Let your ideas shine as bright as the stars above. Even the simplest touch can create lasting memories. Whether it's a backyard bash or indoor sparkle fest, you've got all the tools to make it truly magical. So go ahead, plan boldly, decorate brightly, and party under the stars. If this video helped spark your creativity, drop A in the comments. What was your favorite decoration idea? Let us know below. Have your own star-themed tips? We'd love to hear them too. Planning a party soon? Save this video now. Tag us in your celebration moments. We're watching the stars with you. Like this video if it gave you inspiration to shine. Share it with a friend who needs birthday ideas that glow. And don't forget to check the description link for more ideas and updates.